continue with the solubility product. Okay, so mostly for the solubility product, we have to take the salt. Okay, the not the every type of salt we have to take, and we have to take only the sparingly soluble salt. Okay, sparingly soluble salt. And what is this one? Sparingly soluble salt. Okay, so what type of salt are called sparingly? From here, the small amount will dissolve. Small amount will dissolve dissolve and rest and rest amount remain undissolved. Okay, the rest amount remain but is dissolved. That type of salt is called sparingly, but it is soluble salt. Okay, so now sparingly soluble salt, for example, we can take the AgCl. Okay, it's the AgCl. Okay, AgCl, when we will dissociate it, we will get the Ag plus and Cl minus we will get. Okay, so we will get the Ag plus and Cl minus, and for this one now KSP. Okay, the solubility product of this salt AgCl, we can write in this way: Ag plus, concentrations of the Ag plus and here Cl minus, and by AgCl. And since we know that, okay, the concentrations of the pure salt or pure metal salt, anything will be always 1. Therefore, KSP is equal to Ag plus and Cl minus. For example, in this case, let S be the molar solubility of the Ag plus, and Cl is also S, because both are having the what? 1 coefficient here. Here is also 1 and here is also 1. In the both cases the coefficient is 1, so therefore it will be S and this will be S. And your S is the molar solubility. Then we can find out the molar solubility. If the molar solubility, question will ask to find the molar solubility. क्या find करना है? Molar solubility. Okay, then what we have to do, which is equal to Ag plus and your Cl minus. Then your KSP is equal to S and this will be S. Then S square is equal to KSP. Then S is equal to root over KSP. This is when, it is only when the coefficients of both them are what? 1. Then only it is possible. We have seen that KSP for the KSP for the AgCl is what? Ag plus Cl minus and here AgCl. So now see KSP. Now we'll see the applications. Okay, this one KSP is used where? So now see application. The more the questions will ask from the applications of the KSP only. The first case, both should be the monovalent, A and B. So monovalent means A's balance should be also 1 and B's balance should be also 1. Either A's this one balance will be 2, this have to be 2. Either this have to be 3 and this have to be 3. And we shall not take the 4. Why? Because here we are not adding the D block elements. The complex compounds we are not going to take here. Okay. So now see first the AB type. Okay. So AB type, now see AB, when we split it, okay, dissociate it, we will get what? A plus and B minus. Let the molar solubility will be what? SS. And we have already seen the what? KSP is equal to concentrations of the A plus and B minus, which is equal to S into S. Then KSP is equal to S square. Then S is equal to root over KSP. So now next case, or you will take the example of the AB2. Okay. AB2. Okay. So now see A balance will be okay. B balance will be 1 and A balance will be 2. And this will be now, how to write now? Like MgCl2, like Example, if you take here Mg what? Cl2. So MgCl2 means here that when this one Ab2, when we dissociate it, we will get what? A what? 2 plus and B 2B minus. Like same here MgCl2, when we dissociate it, we will get Mg 2 plus and twice what? Cl minus. Example here, okay? So now see, in this case the molar solubility of the A plus A2 plus will be S, and yet the coefficient is what here? 2. Then we have to write the what? 2S. Then KSP will be now, how much it is now? A2 plus, then what it is? 2B minus, how many times it is? 2 times. Okay, 2 times, then A2 plus is what? S, and 2B minus is what? 2S, and to the power what? 2. Then KSP for this, okay, then S, and then 2 is a 4S square, then 4S cube equal to what it is? KSP, then S cube is equal to KSP by 4, then S is equal to KSP by 4 to the power 1 by 3, means it is cube root. Okay. Now for the third case, we will take the type of the what is called AB3. AB3, like the example, if you take, then what it is? AlCl3, aluminum chloride. Example, just compare with this one. Okay. So now when this one AB3 when we dissociate, okay, when we dissociate into ions, it will give you what? A3 plus 3B minus. 3B minus here. Okay, then now see the solubility, molar solubility will be here S, because in A there is no coefficients is there, where in B there is the how many? 3. This will be here 3S. Now see, your KSP is equal to how many now? S for the A, and for the B 3S, and to the what? Coefficient is what? 3. Straightly here. Then KSP is equal to S 27. How it is 9? It is 27. 3. Okay. 3 into 3 times it is 27 into S to the power 3. Then 27 S to the power 4 equal to KSP. Then S to the power 4 equal to KSP by 27. Then S is equal to KSP by 27 to the power 1 by 4 is the fourth power. Okay, fourth root. Now next type, the type 4, we can take the combinations of the divalent and trivalent. A will be the, okay, divalent and trivalent. For example, in this type, A2B3, yeah, A3B2, same one. Okay. So now see, when we balance, can you give some example of this type of the compound? Example of this type of the compound, Al2O3, aluminum oxide. Bauxite, you can also say that. What is the bauxite? Okay, aluminum oxide. Okay, now in this case, what we have to do now? So when this one A2B3 when dissociate, then A valency will be what? Not 2, 3, because its valency will go here, and B valency will come to where? A. Then here 3, and it is how many times? 2 times, and plus B 2 what minus, then here how many it is? 3. Okay, now we have to check whether it is balanced or not. Okay, तो हम लोग अभी check कर रहे हैं ये balance है या नहीं है. Okay, तो now see 6 number of electrons A will donate, and B have to take that 6 what electron. Now see, it is donated. 3 plus 2 6. 6 plus means 6 it will donate, and the minus 6 have to be there. Then minus 2 into 3 is what? Minus 6. Equal na? Okay, same. And after this one here, molar solubility will be 2S, and here the molar solubility will be 3S. Okay, so 2S and 3S. Now your KSP will be how much now? 2S. How many times? 2 times. Coefficient here, see, 2 times, and here 3S. How many times? 3 times. This will be now 4s square 27 s what cube, which is equal to 27 into 4 is equal to how much? 108. 108, 7 for the 28 and 2, 8, 9, 10. 108 s to the power 5. Power 5. Now see, s to the power 5 is equal to what? It is ksp by 108. Then s is equal to ksp by 108 to the power what? 1 by 5. KSP, okay, we have seen already KSP, we have seen and various type, okay, how to find the KSP. So for example, now see, we'll take the one question. See now here, the solubility of barium sulfate in water is 1.07 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole per dm cube. Estimate its solubility product. Means here in this case, okay, we have to find the KSP. We have to find the what? KSP. If we have to find the KSP, then S value have to be there. Okay, these two have to be there. Either S will be given and KSP we have to find. Either KSP will be given and S we have to find. And now so in this question, what is given? Solubility is given. S is given. Your S is equal to how much? S is equal to 1.07 into 10 to the power minus 5 mole per what? It is dm cube. So now see directly now we which formula we have to put here, that will depends on this compound now. See now whether it is both are mono, either one is mono and one will be di, either one will be di or other will be tri. Now we'll see that. It's a barium sulfate. It is a barium sulfate. So barium sulfate, when we dissociate it, we'll get what? Ba2 plus and SO4 2 minus. In this case, is there any coefficients there? No, no. So coefficient is not there, then directly formula for the KSP is equal to how much? KSP is equal to what it is? S square. Then KSP is equal to S is equal to how much? 1.07 into 10 to the power minus 5 whole square. Okay. Then which is equal to how much now it is? 1.07 square. Okay, do it. Answer will be how much it is? Answer will be 1.145 into 10 to the power minus what? 10. 10 C. Answer. Condition for the formations of precipitate. PPT means it is precipitate. Okay. So now see when the precipitate will form and when the precipitate is not forming. This is the very important concept. See now. Condition for the formations of the precipitate. So now see which salt is going to be form the precipitate and which will not going to. Okay. That will depends on. Now see formations of the precipitate will be depends upon. Okay. This will be depends upon ionic product. Depends upon the ionic product means it is IP. It is IP. Okay, see now ionic product is determined same as KSP. Both can be determined by the same way. So now see what are the difference now? Okay. So now see IP means ionic product and some KSP solubility product can be determined or find by the same method. Here now see ionic product. Now see what make them difference now. Main problem is this one. If they are same, then why they have named the different? Okay, understood or not? If both are same, then why the one is called the KSP and another has called the what? Ionic product. Some difference is there, and difference that here it will depends upon initial concentration. Depends on initial concentration. And here this will depends on equilibrium. concentration. So this only is the difference between these two. Okay. So now one will be depends upon the initial concentration, another is depending upon the equilibrium concentration. Okay. So now see, so our main things what we have to see is that one, when the any salt, okay, will form the precipitate. For this one now see condition. Okay, the conditions one, IP is less than the what? KSP. If the IP is less than the KSP, okay, then the solution is unsaturated. Solution is unsaturated, and precipitate will not formed, not form, yes. The precipitate will not form here. The KSP is more and IP is less, okay, then the solution is unsaturated and precipitate will not form. If number two cases, now see next case, IP is equal to KSP. In this case, if the ionic product is equal to the solubility product, then here the solution is saturated, and equilibrium what? What it is? Exist. Solubility, equilibrium exist. See now, solubility, equilibrium will exist here. Okay. In this case also there is no chance of what? Getting the precipitate. Okay. And next one, if IP is more than the KSP. Now in this case, okay, if the IP is more than KSP, then the solution is super saturated, and precipitate will what? Will form. Will form in, I think in 2019 or 2018 the questions came on based of this concept. Okay, and for that you have to know the IP and KSP. They will give the they will give the question. I think in 2017, 18, 19. Okay, if you see this question, this year NEET question, you will get. Okay, the 2-3 solution is given, and from there they have asked which are going to form the what? Precipitate. And for that what we have to know the value of the IP and KSP we have to know. Okay, right. Okay, which was asked in 2019 NEET exam. Okay, the pH of a saturated solutions of calcium hydroxide is 9. The solubility product KSP of calcium hydroxide we have to find. Say now, first of all here solution. So when this calcium hydroxide, when we dissociate into ions, then this will give you what? C2 plus and OH by this minus. Okay, OH by this minus. This is what? This is S, and this will be 2S here, no? So this will be S and this will be 2S here. Okay, now see the concentrations of OH first we have to find here. Concentrations of the what we have to find? OH we have to find, and for that see now pH. So since pH plus POH is equal to how much it is? 14. Okay, 14. Then POH is equal to 14 minus what? Minus 9, which is equal to how much here? 5. It is 5. Means the POH is equal to 5. Then how to find this one now? Log now, tell me. Means we have to find the concentrations of what? OH minus only. Then okay. POH can be written in this way, minus log OH minus equal to 5. Then OH power minus 1, which is equal to what? How much now it is? Anti-log, and anti-log will be how much now? Anti-log anti-log. See now minus, okay. So now see anti-log will be how much? 5. 5 and anti-log. It is not given here, no? Anti-log in question it is not given. Okay. Edit for you. Okay. See now. What now? It will be what? How to now write? How to now write? Tell me. Anti-log. Minus log 10 to the power what? Minus 5 we can write. Now see both side, okay. If this log will become here anti-log, then this will be how much now? Which will write as POH. So POH is now we can write what? Log OH minus, which is equal to what it is? 5. Now taking the anti-log, when we take the anti-log, after taking the anti-log we will get what? OH minus equal to 10 to the power minus what? 5. 10 to the power minus 5. Okay. So this will be final now here. Okay. Now see in this case, now see here. Okay. Now here, okay. This will be S and here is also the what? S here. So solubility. So we have to find the what it is KSP. So KSP now see both are having the equal here. Okay. Now see both S and S. In this case your X is equal to what it is? Y. So for example this is X and this is Y and both are what it is? Equal. But thing is that here, if here we have taken the what it is? 1. If we have taken the here 1, your S is equal to 1. S is equal to 1 here. And here is it is how many times here? 2. Then here will be how many times now? Twice it is now. If it is twice, then here will be what it is? Half only. So half into concentration is equal to how much? 10 to the power minus 5 and 1 into 10 to the power minus what it is? 5. Okay. Now see. After this one now KSP is equal to what? Half into 10 to the power minus 5 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 5. How many times it is? 2 times. Which is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 10, which is equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 5 minus 10 is minus 15. Answer. Okay. See now, buffer solution. Buffer solution. Okay. So now see buffer solutions. Okay, this is the solutions which resist the change in pH. Change in what is pH when small amount of acid or base are what? Added. Okay, understood now? Solutions which resist the change means, okay, change in pH when small amount of acid and base are added. For example, see now, solutions here we have taken the one solution we have taken, the solution we have taken whose pH is equal to 8. pH is equal to 8 means what? It is basic or it is acidic? It is a basic compound, okay? Then what we have done, so like the 5 ml of means small, the 5 ml of base are added. Base are what is added here, okay? The 5 ml of base we have added, the pH have to be what? Become high. Because the base is there, na? Now see the basic. Again we are going to at the what base here means is a less acidic. Basic means the what? Less acidic. If we are going to add the base, then this one pH value would have what? Increase. But for the certain small amount of the adding of the acid or base, it resists what? Change. Yes. And that type of solution is called the, like the same way in physics, if you see in the physics, you can see it is the inertia of chemistry. Is a inertia of chemistry. Inertia means the what? Which resist change. Okay, those objects which are in rest will be continuing rest, and which are in motion will be continuing what? Motions, like the same only here. Okay, it's resistive what? Change. And like the same only, inertia is the what? Resist the change. You can say the inertia of the what it is? Solutions, or inertia of the chemistry is, okay, that time the solutions are called the buffer solutions. Okay, so now we'll see detailing. Okay, now see buffer solution or type. Now see type of the buffer solution. So mainly there are two types of the buffer solutions are there. Number one is simplified buffer solution. Simplified buffer solution. So simplified buffer solution is, it is a combinations of weak acid and weak what? Base. Weak acid and weak base. Okay. Can you give an example of the weak acid? CH3COOH, and weak base is what? NH4OH. And this compound will get what? CH3COO. What it is? NH4. Okay. And plus what here? H2 will go out. Now see, this type of these solutions are called what it is? Simplified buffer. Yes. And for the simplified, for the weak acid and for the weak base, how much the pH value we have got? Yesterday we have seen it was the half. First 7 plus half pKa minus pKb. Okay. Write down. Mix buffer solution. Now in number 2, mix buffer solution. Okay, mix buffer solution. तो बच्चों देखो यहाँ पे, okay, तो mix buffer solution. Okay, तो mix buffer solutions. Okay, sometimes we have to take the Hindi also, because all the students, some students will watch now, and many problems that sir, it is problem in English again. When we put in the video in completely English, then sir, sometimes you have to tell Hindi also. Okay, now see, तो mixed buffer solution में बच्चों क्या है यहाँ पे? Is the how many type? 2 type will be there. Okay, one is acidic buffer solution. Acidic buffer solutions है, and number 2 is basic buffer solution. Okay, basic buffer क्या है? Solutions है यहाँ पे. तो now we will see now number 1 by 1. तो पहले हम लोग देखेंगे यहाँ पे acidic buffer solution. Acidic buffer solution. Okay, तो बच्चों लोग देखो यहाँ पे acidic, in acidic it consists of the weak acid and its conjugate base, and its conjugate base. Okay, now see, weak acid conjugate base is what? Strong. Weak acid conjugate base will be strong. It is the strong base. Conjugate base means what it is? A strong base. Okay, it is a strong base. So weak acid. Okay, for example, now see the solutions which we get from here. Okay, जो solutions ये दोनों को combine करके जो हम लोग यहाँ पे मिलता है, what we get. Okay, if we add the small amount of the ammonium solution. Ammonium is any compound which carry the what? Ammonia, and ammonia is what? Basic. Ammonia is base. Okay, then when the small amount of the ammonia when we put here, its pH will change. No, no, its pH will not change. Why? Because it is what? Acidic buffer. Therefore, it's what? Okay, acidic buffer solution means it try to maintain the what? pH of acid only. Okay, so there was one this one latest एक न्यूज़ था NHPC या NEPCO some the hydro corporations enterprise था वहाँ पे, तो वहाँ का जो मतलब मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर या कोई चीफ है रिटायर हो गया वो, रिटायर मीन्स ओके, तो रिटायर होने के बाद भी वो कंटिन्यू ऑफिस आ रहा है वो कंटिन्यू, तो बाद में ऑफिस वाला को मतलब बोलना पड़ा कि मतलब ना सर यू हैव ऑलरेडी रिटायर प्लीज डोंट कम, क्यों नॉट टेल मी, क्यों ऐसा, व्हाई इट इज रिटायर होने के बाद भी कंटिन्यू आ रहा है, क्यों? क्योंकि मतलब छोड़ने मरने हाँ नहीं है, मुझे वहाँ पे जो इज्जत मिल रहा है ना उसको इज द हेड, अभी रिटायर होने के बाद भी तो नहीं जो ऐसा ना, तो वो प्रिटेंड कर रहा है कि हम अभी तक क्या है एमडी है वहाँ ना, सबको बुलाता होता मतलब 4th ग्रेड 3rd ग्रेड स्टाफ लोगों को बुला के ये करो, तो मीन्स क्या हो गया, आदत हो गया होगा। ओके, सेम यहाँ भी क्या है उसी टाइप में यहाँ पे, तो व्हेन वी ऐड द स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ द बेसिक सॉल्यूशन, तो इट इज व्हाट प्रिटेंड करते हैं कि मतलब वही जो मतलब क्या हो pH को मेंटेन, ओके, इट विल ट्राई टू व्हाट मेंटेन द अर्लियर वैल्यू ओनली, ओके, तो नाउ से नाउ we'll take the okay can you give us some example of the weak acid example? Yes, it's the organic acid, so we take the what methanoic acid also or ethanoic what acid also. See now, तो CH3COOH ethanoic acid यहाँ पे dissociate, okay, कर लो इसको, then what will get COO or plus, and this is what now, this is acid. And I have told you that earlier, मैंने पहले आपको बोल चुका हूँ यहाँ पे, okay, I told you earlier that what when from the acid if we remove the what proton, that will form the what conjugate base, and this conjugate base is weak or it is strong it is, then it is for the weak acid, therefore Ka is equal to concentration of what CH3COO minus then concentrations of the what H plus by concentrations of CH3COOH. See now, so now Ka, so Ka value can we can find from here also. So now if we want to find the what pH of whom, pH of the acidic buffer solution, for the pH now what we have to do, so these equations we have to carry forward now, तो इसको भी क्या करना है हम कैरी फॉरवर्ड करके इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लो यहाँ पे, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद में व्हाट विल गेट नाउ this into this and this into this, then not tell me K, okay, CH3COO what it is H and what it is, okay, sorry, O minus will be there, O minus then what here H plus, which is equal to Ka CH3COO what it is H, okay, then make you कर रहा है ऐसा, not tell me, somebody can explain you why this one I am doing this one. So now see, keep this one H plus को यहाँ पे रखो, H plus रखो, then what it is Ka CH3COO H by CH3COO minus, तो मैंने क्यों किया सर, why I have done, क्यों मैंने यहाँ पे इसको यहाँ पे मैंने रखा, यहाँ पे H plus को यहाँ पे रखा, LHS में रखा, why, because pH के लिए, and since we know that pH is equal to what log minus log concentration of the what H plus is what it is pH, basically what we have done, we have kept here H plus here, okay, so now putting both side what log, now putting both side log, then minus log, put both side plus, which is equal to what minus log Ka, then concentration of the what CH3COO H by CH3COO minus, then okay, now minus log concentrations of the H plus will be what pH, this is called the pH, now minus what is now minus take outside, then what log A into B, log A into B, and log A into B is what log A into B is what log A plus log what? CH3 COOH by CH3 COO minus. Okay, तो now see multiply with minus को भेज दो यहाँ पे. Okay, then we'll get a log Ka, then minus into plus minus log concentration of the COOH by concentrations of the COO minus. Now which is equal to now pH is equal to now log Ka is what? pKa. Log Ka is what? Log Ka is minus log K is it is pKa. It is pKa. Okay, pKa. Then minus log is what? Acid. No, it is acid means the concentrations of the what? Acid by concentrations of the what? Conjugate base. If it is for the what? Weak acid, then conjugate base will be here. If it is for the weak base, then conjugate acid will be here. And this can we will also be write this equation is also correct, or we can also be write in this way also. pH is equal to pKa. इसको क्या करना है भाई? What we have to do? Change the directions. Okay, then change direction, then what? Minus will become plus now. Plus. Then tell me now log conjugate base or salt. We can write a salt also. Okay. Conjugate base or what it is? Salt. By concentrations of the what? Acid is the final equation. Number two, what was there? Basic buffer solution. And basic buffer solution is concept of the weak base and conjugate acid. And conjugate acid it will be what? Strong. Okay, strong. Then now say here, since it is weak base, okay, for example, in these solutions of the weak base and conjugate acid, here the sum of the acidic. Okay, acidic, if the solution is small amount of acidic solutions, if we add here, then it will what? Resist the change. And here the weak base, what it is? Ammonium hydroxide we have taken. Okay, we should take. And here conjugate what? Acid means what? NH4 plus and here OH minus. This is a strong acid again here. Okay, so now see, and here what we have right here? Kb, and Kb is equal to NH what here? 4 OH minus and here base. Here the word is ammonium hydroxide. And by the cross multiplication, what we get here? तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या मिलेगा? यहाँ पे NH4 plus and here what we will get here? OH minus and here Kb and here NH4OH will get here, no? Then OH minus here, OH minus, then here the Kb and here ammonium hydroxide and here is what? Conjugate acid. Then minus log H minus, then log Kb and here is what? Base. And here is what? Conjugate acid. And here the POH, power of hydronium, as the Kb will be here. And here is what it is? Base. And here is either the what? Salt or conjugate acid. Salt or conjugate what is acid. Again here pK what it is? pKb. And here base will be here, base, and here conjugate acid or it is salt. And here what we get now? POH here, and here PKb, and here what is? Acid or base? This base here, and here the conjugate what? Acid. And POH PKb, and here conjugate acid or salt or by base. and this equation is called Henderson equation. Okay, so this equation is called what it is? Henderson equations. Henderson's equation, because this equation was given by the Henderson, therefore it is called the Henderson equation. Okay, now see buffer की capacity. It is the number of moles of acid or base added per liter by change in pH. So this is called buffer capacity.